Hello guys, today we learn how to use while loop instead of cursors in SQL Server. First we know what is cursor. Cursor is a temporary memory or temporary workstation. It is allocated by database server at a time of performing data manipulation language DML operations on table by the user. Cursors are used to store database tables, or in other words you can say a cursor is a database object which can hold more than one row, but it can process only one row at a point of time. The set of row held by cursor hold is known as active set. So you can control the record of table in singleton technique, that is one row at a point in the time. So this is the cursor which take one row one by one, and what calculation manipulation you want to do you can do with cursor. Now here our aim purpose is implementation of while loop instead of cursors, which is also fast from the cursors. So let us see. Now let us implement the while loop in place of cursor. Let us see. I have a table like employee table, employee ID, employee name, salary, employee city, and primary key cluster index, that is employee ID. Through this syntax you can create the employee table, and I have inserted the record in this table, employee table, like employee ID you can see 1 2 3 4 5, employee name, salary, and employee city. That is the employee table record. Now here I want to use while loop. So first we understand how while loop syntax will retain and how it will work. Let us see. You can see use a while loop. Syntax of while loop like this: declare count integer, set count 1 while count less than 5, begin and end. Now let us see how this will work in SQL Management Studio. Now here I have database like test, and I have put here declare count integer, and I have initial set at the route at the rate of count variable equal to 1, and put here while loop while count less than equal to 5, means that loop will run until 5. So put here begin in print count, and set here count equal to count plus 1. When you run this while loop, first increment by 1. When you go second, that will increment by 2, 3, 4, 5. It will run the loop until the count will becomes 5. When you will go 6, that will exit from the loop. So now run this statement. So you can see count will be printed a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the syntax of while loop, and this while loop you can use in the real database. So come to the point here. Now first example how to use while loop. You can see the syntax of while loop and how it will work. First example. Now you know that there is table imply and that is record 1 to 5. Now I want to print through the while loop imply name. So what I have to do, first you notice that there is employee ID and there is like serial number 1 2 3 4, that is integer. In using of while loop, you must have minimum value of any column and max value any column. It must be incremented order. It should be. If it will not increment order, we will implement in another way. First, see the incremental order, and there is like 1 2 3 4 5. So how can you reach? Let us see. So first you declare a variable minimum rows count integer and max rows count integer, and there is one variable like employee name varchar. So we hold a record from the tables. So get a minimum and maximum value in the table employee. So I put here select minimum rows count equal to min employee ID and max rows count equal to max employee ID from the employee. So when we put this syntax, let us see and run this application. So you get minimum value 1 and max value 5. So now I have to put the while loop. So put here while loop. So see here, while minimum rows count is starting from 1 and go to up to max count. And also I have increment 1 minimum rows count equal to minimum rows count plus 1. It will be incremented by 1 when cursor goes to here and print like print minimum rows count. Now run again and see. So you can see put some rows. Now you can see that value print like row count 1, row count 2, 3, 4, 5. That value will be print. Now start. I am putting here code like select employee name, that is variable equal to employee name from the table where employee ID equal to minimum rows count. So that employee name will be printed here. So I put here like row count 1 minimum rows where here also here we can put plus and that is put like emp name and put plus and name of the variable employee name and then this application. So finally you see like employee name Raj. Finally you see row count 1 employee name Raj, rows count 2 employee name Adam, rows count 3 employee name Rahul and rows count 4 employee name Ria and Heo. So that's way we can implement the while loop in place of cursor. That is very easy and also fast from the cursors. Now there is one scenario like say select staff from employee. Here you can see there is identity column employee ID and employee name, salary and employee column. Say one that there is no employee ID in this table. Consider there is no employee ID, only I have employee name, salary, employee city. Like say that is second example. So only I have say I have only this column like employee name, salary and employee name, salary and employee city. So need one identity column which incremented by 1. So for this we need to create a temp table. So let us see how can this this type of situation can implement that first thing. So first you can see minimal rows count, max rows count and employee name. Now I have created a temporary table, create table, temp table, define employee ID integer which is identity and employee name varchar, salary float, employee city and varchar. Now value of tables will be insert into a temp table. After inserting in temp table, you will get the identity column. So we can see like select insert into temp table, select emp name, salary, employee city from employee. So value of this employee table which have no employee ID for this situation we can consider. So that will putting into temp table and we know a temp table there is identity column, so identity column will be created automatically. So I have put here value of employee in temp table with identity column 1. So after that get a minimum and maximum value in the temp table like select minimum rows count minimum employee id, max rows count maximum employee id from temp table and after getting we'll get print minimum rows count and maximum rows count. Same way also put here like while minimum rows count less than max rows count while select, and here you can put here temp table because you have taken the temp table. So put here temp table where employee are equal to minimum rows count and print employee name, and minimum rows count equal to minimum rows count plus 1. That will increment row 1 added 1 by in minimum rows count, and it will be first time 1, second time 2, and third time 3, 4, and 5th. When you go 6, condition will be false and it will be out. So copy this one and put this on. Now copy this and put here. So one overview like this you can see how can implement term table for using cursors. Now run the applications. So you can also get like Ray, Adam, Rahul, Ria, and Heo, and 5 those affected. So that's why you can implement the while loop in place of cursor. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.